Okay, so here you have a 2009 Volvo XC70, and it's front end collision. So right there. Here how it looks inside, under the hood. Looks like the radiators are okay. Just the rebar, the right side of the frame needs to be pulled, and the what else? The airbag, driver's side deployed, and looks like the seat belt. The seat belt in the back also locked, and the middle one also here, right there, and the right side is working fine. Okay, and yeah, so not too much damage. And then we have a scrape here on the quarter panel, which can be easily repaired, and looks like they left some WeatherTech floor mats, and there's more floor mats underneath for like I think $1,900. It's 110,000 miles. That's a good deal, and we're gonna have it repaired. It's gonna go today actually to a place where they're gonna repair the frame, put new rebar, new radiator support. Also we have already the hood, and yeah, the headlights. The looks like driver's side is okay. The passenger needs to be replaced, and yeah, looks like the lower bar is okay. Car runs and drives, and needs to be cleaned. The tires look okay. I really like these XC70s because they are very soft, comfortable. I'm gonna replace XC90 with this one. I'm gonna start driving the XC70 again. Much better car. Oh, looks like the tail light needs to be replaced. It's cracked, but other than that, car looks okay. It's a basic model with these seats, half fabric, half I think it's a fake leather. So we have two keys, and then they gave us an Audi key. Somebody didn't get the key, I guess. So yeah, needs some cleaning, and will be okay. XC70 to drive, and cheap. So I'm gonna remove rebar right now to send pictures of the damage of the frame right there, and I'm gonna remove radiator support also, so we can see everything clearly.